Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make DuckDuckGo your default browser in Windows. DuckDuckGo is a great choice if you care about privacy and security, so let's get started. First, you need to open the DuckDuckGo browser. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from their official website. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser to open the menu. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the General tab to find the option for making DuckDuckGo the default browser. Click on that, and a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm this action. Once you click Make Default, Windows will open the default apps page. Under the Web Browser section, you'll see a list of browsers that are installed on your computer. Select DuckDuckGo from the list. After selecting DuckDuckGo, it will now be set as your default browser. You're all done. That's it. DuckDuckGo is now your default browser in Windows. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.